Hello, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 13th. It's 4:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The regular session for the futures markets has just closed. Bring over the time and sales here. The E-mini S&P at 406, trading at 2075.50. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, it was a pretty decent day for the auto trader today. The first chart I have to show you is the crude oil on the Super Renko 7 tick. One of our most consistent performers. This one hit its goal on 2 trades with excellent trade position on the short and then getting along. And the last few days, I've remarked about how difficult this would be to make trades like this back to back and hold the trade long enough to realize these profits. Not easily done manually trading, but the auto trader handles things like this quite well. Okay, the crude oil on the Precision Renko 5 tick has been doing pretty well, and from the looks of this, it looks like I might have the trail stop too tight because this would have been a huge move here, and it got stopped out prematurely. Same on this move, same on this move. In any case, it still did 840 for the day. So I'm going to have to take a look at the settings here and see if we can somehow loosen the stop. This just might be an anomaly for volatility, but it's worth a look. Anyways, $840 on 2 contracts, and the crude is still 42 ticks per contract. Okay, this is an actual line break chart, and the auto trader did 1,000 on 2 contracts, and we had maybe one losing trade here. This is a limit order actually, so it's a limit order at the close, the reversal bar here, so that's why the entry is down here. Anyway, not bad, 1,000 for 2 contracts on the line break chart. Okay, next up is the 30-year Treasury bond on the Super Renko 2 tick, and this did 875 for the day. And this is using the line break algorithm trading 2 contracts. Okay, yesterday I showed this chart briefly, but today it traded pretty well. The crude oil on a 1-minute line break chart did 910 for the day on 2 contracts. And although there was some ups and downs, still came out with about 910. And that was probably $1,000 or so was probably its equity high before all this. So perhaps trade times could be limited here. This was also the crude oil inventory announcement day, so still a pretty solid performance, all things considered. Okay, the big winner today was actually the gold futures contracts, changed to the June contract. This is trading the line break algorithm, and it did 1520 for the day with very small drawdown in the beginning. You see the equity graph down here, but mostly some pretty solid trades, and it hit its goal of 1,500, $1,200 loss limit. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website and feel free to send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.